Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, January the 5th. What a start of 2016 it was for the bears anyways. Markets did bounce back off their lows, but a big sell-off on Monday. E-mini S&P 2009 down 26.5. The session low 1980, levels not seen since mid-October. Dow futures also lower, down 256, 17,085. The session low below 17,000, 16,860, so losing about 1.5% in both of those indexes. Leading losses was tech. The NASDAQ 100 index 4505 down 83, down 2% on the session. Now let's remember, only last week it was about 50 points from the all-time forever highs. Big moves in the currency market. The dollar index ended up finishing at 98.97, which was up 22, but the initial reaction was much lower. 98.11 was the session low, and it came storming back and closed positive. On the opposite side of the coin, the euro did just that opposite. Got as high as 109.66 during the session, ended up closing at 108.46, down 40, a reversal of fortune there. Treasuries did rally, flight to quality got as high as 155.14, ended up finishing up 16 points higher at 154.08 level. Crude oil, not doing much, did reach 36.75 at the close, down 30 cents. The low was 36.35 on that session. And lastly, we saw gold up $15 at 11.75, gaining 15 on the session with a high at 11.83. So after this action all over the place yesterday and extended volatility to start the new year, where do things start on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're lower once again in the stock indexes, giving back some of that recovery bounce. Down 13 in the S&P, down 111 in the Dow futures, below 17,000 again at 16,974, and the Nasdaq's down 29 at 44.75. The dollar's building on that reversal rally, 99.35 up 35 with 100 up above to keep an eye on. The euro currency down below 108, 107.79 down 67. Treasuries are up a couple ticks right now at 154.13. An update on the yields after the movement we saw yesterday, 298 in the 30-year and 223 in the 10-year note. Crude oil's down a dime right now at 36.65. Yesterday it did get as high as 38.40 on the Mideast volatility concerns, but gave back all those gains and ended up closing negative on the session. And lastly, gold up $4 at 10.79, continuing to firm with this additional activity. So to wrap up with the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market opened, down 13 in the S&P, down 110 in the Dow, and down 29 in the NASDAQ 100. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.